Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your finances, the EveryDollar budgeting app is an absolute must-have. It's simple, effective, and helps you track every cent. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of using EveryDollar so you can get started right away. First things first, download the app from your app store or head to their website. Once it's installed, sign up for a free account using your email or link it to your bank for easier tracking. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. Now, let's dive into the core feature, creating your budget. Open the app and tap on Start Budgeting. You'll be prompted to enter your total monthly income. Be honest here, that includes your salary, side gigs, or any other cash flow. Next, list out your expenses. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting system, meaning every dollar of your income should be assigned to a category. Think categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. As you add these, the app will show you how much you have left to allocate. One cool thing is that you can set up envelopes or categories for specific goals, like building an emergency fund or planning a vacation. Now, for tracking your spending, EveryDollar makes it easy. Link your bank accounts, and the app will automatically import transactions. Or, manually enter them as you go. You'll get notifications if you're approaching your limits in any category. That's a game changer for avoiding overspending. Pro tip: review your budget weekly. Adjust as needed based on what's working or not. Finally, EveryDollar syncs across devices, so you can access it from your phone or computer. There you have it, a quick guide to mastering EveryDollar. Give it a try, and watch your financial stress melt away. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.